What's up, Trader's Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option, and we're looking at what's going to happen for the rest of the week. We're going to talk about the Fed, talk about non-farms, look at earnings. Real quick, but really important. So with that, let's dig in. All right, folks, this is maybe the most important week in history. On Wednesday, the 31st in history, well, of the year, let's say. On the 31st, we hear from the Fed, we hear from Jerome Powell. He's going to tell us what is going on with interest rates for September and beyond. That's big. Then on Friday, non-farm payrolls. That is also huge. Wednesday, ADP. So the economic data this week is massive. Then we've got earnings. And Microsoft is already out. Those earnings are bad. Microsoft already sold off, and it's down after its earnings another $15. AMD also reported earnings. Hey, look at that. It's actually up. So far, one good, one bad. Microsoft much bigger than AMD. But we've got three more big, huge earnings you need to be paying attention to. Amazon. Amazon reports on the 1st after the market. They're pricing in about a 7% move. They're normally looking for about 6. So a little bit higher than normal, but nothing crazy. On the 31st, we have Meta. Meta, they normally price about 6.5, almost 9%. So expect big things out of Meta. Now, here's where I think there's opportunity. Apple's actually priced in below its normal earnings expectations. Below. And that is an opportunity, folks. This is an opportunity to actually trade the options on earnings. Normally, I don't, but Apple is one that I think I might play because the options appear to be way too cheap. So this is one to jump on. Getting back to the Fed, I just want to preview what we're looking at for the market this week. And if you price things out at the money for Friday, they're pricing in about a $90 move. Seems about fair. I don't see a lot of value in that. The one for the 31st, so that's on Wednesday, they're pricing in about $50. That's probably, when you consider how much we've been moving, maybe a little bit too cheap. There might be an opportunity for a premium trade there. Just really quick looking at our levels, SPX actually did close below its 50-day moving average for the second time. The Qs, which had it much worse than the S&P, actually bounced off the 100. NVIDIA is now below its 100-day moving average. There's some real danger there. If it doesn't bounce, look out. And then finally, you've got the Dow Jones, which is carrying the market's water, which looks like it's finally going to catch up and maybe kind of converge with all those indexes. I put out a tweet about that. So I still, through this earnings cycle, think I like Dow long, S&P short as a trade. All right, folks. I've got a special trade coming up in VXX. One trade, one chance. I'm going for 100%. I'm actually doing a double down for this one as well. So be on the lookout for that. The order form to join me is in this email. Make sure to check it out. All right, folks, I am Mark Sebastian, your only option. I'll see you soon.